Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Tosa.
Good morning. So I'll be starting the class. Today we'll be taking mermaid skirt. Someone asked recently, I think Mrs. Blessing, she asked what's the difference between a gauze skirt and a mermaid skirt. So just like the mermaid, the word mermaid, the mermaid has this curve shape, and then from the goal point there's this flare tail sort of. So it's just like the name implies, mermaid, that is the way the shape of the skirt is. So the difference between the gauze skirt and the mermaid skirt is that the gauze skirt comes with panels, and each panel has its own flare. For the mermaid, you just have the flare on the two sides of your skirt. If you want to include a tail to it, that's when you can have it, and the middle, that's your center back side. But that's left to you. It's all a matter of preference. So I'll go straight to the class. The first step says that you should draft your basic skirt pattern. When you draft your basic skirt pattern, please also make sure that yes, you leave your zip allowance and your side allowance, and your center front is on fold. Don't forget your new waistline. So once you draft your basic skirt pattern, I have required measurements. I have the waist, normal things for you to draft your skirt block. But another added one is your goal points, just like your gauze skirt. So the thing is, just figure out your goal points. I know you already know how to do that, so I won't repeat that. So just get your goal points. So for example, if this is my goal point, you can see that if this is my goal point, from the waistline, figure out the excess. Then from here, mark your excess. So now, just like your gauze skirt, when you're dividing the excess, you're dividing it on all the panels and the side and the center back. But for this part, once you are doing your excess, so just take this measurement, take the measurement, take round your skirt, whatever the excess is, we are dividing it on the two sides alone, not the center back, except you want it till, but on the two sides alone. Once you've done that, with the use of a ruler, roll from your hip line all the way to that point. Then you do this, roll from your hip line all the way there. Then you take it all the way straight down. You take it straight down. And this is your CB, and this is your CF. So you cut this out, and then you place it on either another paper or straight on fabric, and then include your flare. So just like you can see, can this be seen? So just like you can see this is my CB and this is my CF. So it's like I cut this out and then I came to place it on another paper. From here to here, 6.5 as my flare. And then from there, I just rule a straight line to that goal point. I do the same thing for my back. From here, 6.5 to my flare. And then from my flare, I rule a straight line to the goal point. It's that simple. So you can see for the mermaid skirt, the front is still on fold and the back does not have its own flare. If I want the back to have its own flare, now that's me including a tail into my mermaid skirt. For my mermaid, preference or emphasis is made on the mermaid skirt on the two sides, not the center back, but on the two sides, just so you have that mermaid shape. So at the end of the day, this is what I have. So the reason why I did this straight down is for you to be able to place this on your fabric straight away, get your extension and roll it back to your goal point. But if you want to do your extension on paper, it's all a matter of choice. And you can see that is all for mermaid skirt. Simple as ABC. It's something that you can easily do within 5 minutes. Please, I hope you understand me. If you don't understand me, I can come again for you. But let me have your questions, if you have any. Do you have any questions?
Good morning, Miss Stein.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Tosin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, on your on the small drafts, the big drafts, there's no drafts. The other draft is drafts.
Oh, thank you very much. I cleaned it off.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you also know your dads will always be there, so just include your dads.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for that observation. Okay, so do we all understand the man-made skirt? Do we have any questions? If you do not have any questions, the recorded. Sorry, I heard something.
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Demola.
Yeah. I just wanted to know what's the difference between this skirt and the skirt with A?
And skirt with flay.
Tail.
Tail. Okay, yes, skirt with tail. Okay, so skirt with tail means that yes, you have a tail at the center back. So my mermaid skirt can be a skirt with tail. My gold skirt can come with tail. My straight skirts can come with tail. So tail is just like you have a skirt with ruffles. So it's like a style that you attach to your normal skirt. So tail can be attached to a straight skirt, it can be attached to a gold skirt, and it can be attached to a mermaid skirt. Don't forget, while taking this class, I said that if you want to attach a tail, you can attach a tail, but it's all a matter of preference. It's your choice. But if you want to go strictly to mermaid skirt is without tail, just on the side. But if you now want to add a tail to it, just so it looks like the bridal train kind of dresses and all, well, that's your choice. It's your desired style. Most important thing is the mermaid style on the side. Sorry?
What length is best suited for this kind of skirt?
A long length. So for the gold skirt, for the mermaid skirt, long length, floor length. If you do it midi or short, it's not always nice. It now looks like a flounce that you're not getting right, sort of. But the beauty is always when it's long.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any other question, please?
Very short class.
Yes, very short. And that's because you already have the understanding of the go skirt. If you didn't have the understanding of the go skirt, maybe you'd have been asking me more questions and all. But because you've already done the go skirt and this is almost similar, only without the panels, it makes it much more easier. So if there won't be any question, the recorded version will be sent to the class and the sewing technique video as well. So I'm expecting a lot more than I've been getting so far. But if you have any questions, any difficulty, I'll be available on the group chat. Thank you very much. Have a great day.